Today I'm going to go over putting on a hood hinge spring. Bought a brand new one, putting it on there just like that. They're under a pretty high compression, so a little dangerous. I am on my 68 fixing some holes here from the hood hinge spring mount. So I clean it up and I'm going to be welding a new piece. I'm going to cut it out, weld it in place, but for right now we're just going to put the springs on. Basically I set up a jig on a pallet with a little pull strap, a little come along if you will, and I'm just going to bring this in, open it up some. This is under a lot of pressure, so take your time with it. You want it just enough so it'll fit in there. Because once you release the tension, it's going to come back on you. Just like that. Got it placed in there. We're going to come over here. We're going to make sure our little fingers aren't in the way. We're going to pop it close. Take everything apart. And we got another spring loaded. Well, hope this helps. If you have any questions or if you want to see the next video of me welding some new pieces, sheet metal, and putting it all back together, tune in next time. Take care.